Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once you open the menu, use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Scroll through the menu, find the system option, and once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. And here you should see the language option at the top. Select it and press start, then scroll through the list of languages, find the language you would like to use. Once you select it, press start to confirm and apply it. So now the language should be changed, and as you can see, it is. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.